straight up, and this is rotated off of the north. So that's a way for us to measure between. If we have CAD or if we have something stating that, we can just physically measure it or use the image to measure as well. I'm going to just cancel out of that view. And I'm going to click on this project base point. And let's put this at 40 and see what happens. So as you can see, it continues to rotate, and that's in order to keep it properly aligned to the sun. So let's put that at 45, and let's flip back to our default 3D view, which is up here in the quick access toolbar. Click. Now you can see there's a slight change in the shadows because we have rotated our building. This is something that you want to do first, along with using the right template, setting the right base point, knowing where the project location is, and then setting the true north. There's a few other things to do before we actually really get going into drawing our building. So let's check that out. Things you must do first: reference planes. What are reference planes? Why do we use them, and how do we use them? We're going to spend the next few minutes answering those questions. So far, we've identified the project base point. This is found under the site view in floor plans in the project browser. We have clicked on the project base point and rotated to the true north. We've assigned it a location on Earth. So those are some of the things that we've done so far. But notice if I go into level 1, where's the project base point? We do have some of these sample walls that I was drawing, but really we don't know where it is in the context of this view. And if I go to level 2, same thing, we can't see it there. So let's go back to the site plan, and I'm going to go into the properties of this view. So I click in some white space under the properties palette, and then I'm going to just scroll down here. Let's look for this orientation. Right there, orientation, true north. Let's set that to project north. Now, these walls I just drew as a sample. These have nothing to do with the little project that we're working on, the kitchen edition. So I'm going to just erase those. And in their place, I'm going to draw some reference planes. So reference planes are found under the Home tab in the Revit, found under Work Plane, and then Ref Plane. You can also type in RP in order to access them. It's a fast way of doing it. I'm going to click on Reference Plane, and I'm simply going to click right in the center of the